Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you a couple of hairstyles featuring this hat right here, cause we all have bad days, don't we? So if you really want to see what those styles are, be sure to continue watching. So what we're going to need for this look is a hair bubble and a couple of bobby pins, because you know we'll need to tie down the hairs at some point. So the first look is just the normal hair on the hat that we're used to doing, so just that, which is usually my classic go-to hairstyle for my hair on bad days. And then the next one will be just to put in my hair on the side. I like to try and hide this bit for no apparent reason, just yeah. So I also I don't care much about what the hair looks like inside, because I definitely won't be taking off my hat, so it can look like whatever. So this is what my hair looks like at the back, and then I'm just trying to push my head to the side, and there you go. And also, so if you don't want your hat to fly away, this is a tip I got from another YouTuber. I don't remember her name, but I'll probably link her in the description box once I remember. But so that if you're trying to avoid your hat to fly away, just pin in your hat from this bit of the hat. You see this inner lining? You put in your pins facing out, and then you do it on both sides. It's easy to pin them, by the way, so just pin them like that, and then once you put your hat in, what happens is, you see this is where the pin, where I have pinned it, so I just take it in and push it down, and again take it in and push it down, so that way my hat can be secure all day and there's no falling off, because my hat now is intact as it should be, because we know hats usually fall off all the time. The next look we're going to do is putting the hair, just the same style but now forward, and because my hair is a bit long, I'll show you what I usually do, because I'm trying to create like a bang or a fringe or whatever it is that you prefer to call it. And since my hair is quite on the longer side of things, I try to pin my hair from maybe like mid-length, see, somewhere there, so that whenever it falls down, rather than falling down from where my hairline is, it just falls down from the back. My fringe looks like that, and I didn't need to cut my hair, so that's definitely a plus. And then the remaining pieces, I just push them in there, and that's what my hair looks like. And also, while I'm at it, the best way to do it is whenever you styled your hair, the satin scarf you use, I usually tend to just wrap it at the back, or like a silk scarf, because it prevents your hair from breakage, and also it helps during like the winter, because it's still cold out here. And the next one is a style that so many people like to do. And so I just pin this backwards to have like a bun, but just a cute one. And by the way, if you don't want to use pins for the back of the hair, you can use now the hair bubble. My hat again. I'll probably not pin it up like I've shown you because of the purposes of this video. But now you just pull it until it's as good as you want it to look like. I love this hairstyle because it looks a bit, it gives you some boho vibes. So I really like this one. And last but not least, I will try and do a flat twist. If it will be doable, but we'll see. Let's see. The lesser hair the better for me, because you know, I consider myself a lazy natural, which means I have not perfected the skill of doing these things. You know, practice makes perfect, and I haven't been practicing. But see, for the purposes of this flat twist, you can do it however you like it, because it can go from wherever. I'm just doing what saves time as for now, because it can start from wherever you want. You can have however many you want. It's your preference, honestly. And then I pin it down, and yes, that's the last hairstyle. If you want to perfect that, you can perfect that. If you want to make it extra, you can make it extra. If you want to slay those edges, you can slay that, honey. Slay that. But other than that, I really hope you actually enjoyed the couple of hairstyles that you could actually use for a bad hair day. Because I see people sharing head wraps, like head wrap styles, which is very good to do. But I figured not many people have actually done easy styles like with hats, because I'm sure most of us actually own hats. So I hope this video was actually really helpful to you, and Happy New Year, by the way. Happy New Year to all of you. And just in case this is my first video of the year, I hope you guys had a beautiful New Year and New Year's Eve, New Year, and I hope currently your year is kick-ass. So I will see you guys in my next video, and if you'd like to, please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to comment which was your favorite hairstyle, and let me know what you think. If you really liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, since that's the only way I would know that you actually liked it. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.